Everyone, so now we're going to be solving the geometry 4.1 quiz for the final. It's all about directed angles and how to calculate them. So what's the value of m if your angle AOL, which is AOL, this one, around segment OA, when you're turning counterclockwise means positive, one turn, what's your m? So it means that start at OA, which means start here, and turn one whole turn, coming back to here. That's what this means. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see you saw one whole turn, which is one whole circle, which is 360, and then you have this angle here, which is, as they told us, 60. So you're gonna do 360 plus 60. You're gonna get it to equal 420. That is it for the first question. Let's move on. What's the value of n if OA turns around? Okay, so it's asking you how many turns and telling you it's negative 1020 is your angle. A negative angle means that you're gonna go clockwise, which they already told you it's going clockwise. So you're gonna start like this and move. We know that there's one turn, that's 360, and then another turn, that's 720, right? And then, wait, my calculator isn't working. 1020. And now that we know we have 720, you need to find out how much left from 1020 there is. So you do 1020 minus 720, which is 2 turns, and you're gonna find 300. So what's 300? 300 is another thing till you reach here, so it's not a full turn. So what do you have? How many full turns did you do? You did from this point 1 turn, 2 turns. So your answer is gonna be n equals 2 turns. Now, what's the value of AOL that if this is 2 turns, see? Like the one before it, but you're going now clockwise and they want the angle. And it's 2 full turns, so it's 3/6. So wait, just no, 2 full turns, and 2 full turns is gonna come back till here, right? So it's turn 1, you're going back, and then turn 2, you're going back here, and now you have 2 turns, right? So it's 360 times 2. You're gonna get, what's it called, 720. But we can't forget that we have the angle OAL. So we need to add this angle to it. So 720 plus 60, you're gonna get 780. And that's how you do it. Now let's go on to last part. Last part, they're going clockwise and they're stopping right before angle AOL. If we know with angle AOL, it makes 360. And since angle AOL is 60, and this should be 360 minus 60, also known as 300. And it's negative because you're going clockwise. And that's your answer. Now, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so here you have a coordinate plane, and they're telling you the points that belong to the terminal ray of the directed angle with the algebraic measure of 135. We know since it's a positive, you're gonna go like this way, like this direction, okay? Which is counterclockwise. Now they want the algebraic measure 135, right? So we know this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270. That's the coordinate plane, like usually. So 135 means it's over 90 but less than 180, so it's somewhere here, right? And we know that in the middle here it's 45-degree angles, right? since it's a 45-degree angle, 90 plus the 45 is gonna be 135. So that's your 135 angle. You're gonna see which point passes through that, which in this case it's -3, 3. And that's your point. That's it. Now for the second half, they want it -315. What this means is you're gonna go clockwise until you reach the same thing. So we're gonna start from here. It's okay, sorry. Yeah. And look, since we're starting from here, we know you're gonna start from here, right? Because it's negative, you're gonna go clockwise. So that's 90 degrees. Now here you have between 90 and 180. It's like you flip the 180 and it's like you're flipping the graph, okay? And like here's your new quadrant that we're looking at since it's negative. And you're gonna again look for the 45 angle point. Let me delete this because it's mixing me up. Wait, no, I did something wrong, didn't I? Yeah, I just realized. Since it's 180, we're flipping it like I said. So you're starting from 180 instead of 0. And you're going opposite direction, which is clockwise. So that's gonna be 190. And then we need to find our other 45-degree angle, which is this one. And whatever passes through it. And you have this point, which is at 2 and 2. So that's your second set of coordinates for the directed angle. And that's it for this quiz. Have a nice day. Bye.